Ani, and hello to you, all my relatives, and welcome to the Tipi. Let's just jump right into the word of the day. Let's pick a word randomly. Oh, we're on the Ojibway side, so our word is biidwewidam. It means come making noise. Oh, it's like making thunder. How would I use that in a sentence? Which has nothing to do with thunder. My little turtle is walking around and he is such a my turtle's walking around and he's biidwewidam. My turtle's really noisy is what I'm trying to say. He comes making noise. I can hear his little when he's walking around, or when he's trying to climb the wall, in case you missed that photo. Go out there, use it as a sentence, and let me know how that worked for you. And remember, you are the beads on my moccasins, the grease on my fry bread, and the cash in my casino. Miigwech.